The underground, the metro line. To use the metro line is actually very simple. It's much simpler than
London.
Than loads of other places. So
And even,
easy life.
Even Budapest, and you have to get those silly little tickets.
Yeah, the silly,
so old-fashioned,
silly tickets. Yeah. Right. So this is the People's Square, and I'm gonna take the camera out and take more pictures. Oh. So this is People's Square, and it's just another construction site. So the actual People's Square, which is like a nice green area, cannot be accessed at the moment because it's just construction happening, and like construction everywhere. But it's pretty good, to be honest. Look at these buildings, guys.
Oh, it's being Austria looking first.
Architecture-wise,
Random.
it could even be in Europe somewhere. So that's very interesting. Although, oh look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Oh, cabby.
Ah, we need to go that way. But yeah, like, bear in mind that China copies a lot of buildings and architectural styles. So I'm not truly surprised to see buildings like this.
It's quite old as well.
Yeah, it's looking old. Those buildings look old. Oh, look at this, but I think this is Chinese made. It's a Chinese make, isn't it? An old cabbie. Where
Joy and love, baby.
the London Taxi Company, man. Wonderful. Pink. Wow. 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 Hello, cat. Oh, it's a lion. Oh, no, it's a dragon. Hello. Pig should be here now. A pig would appreciate these. Got another bottle of drink, and I really like this brand. This one is peach and banana this time, and it's incredibly tasty. It's very tasty. An example where the old meets the new, and it's quite nice here. But look at all the fence and the bars.
It's only around the windows though, because
And the
everything
windows.
else is tiles. But
Everything else is
tiles.
like it makes it look like a prison.
Yeah.
And like everywhere. But it's a nice little green here. Huh? What do you think? It's very nice here. It smells very nice as well. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Hello. Hello, little chihuahua. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hi.
There's little doggo with the little doggo's owner. He's gonna get some water now. Boy. Don't truly understand this. It's almost like this kind of protection is needed. Don't know.
In the actual airport, as in Hangzhou airport.
Yeah. So this is definitely like a more characteristical part of Hangzhou and the area near to us. So it's People's Square, and you can tell that these buildings, many of these buildings were probably built in the 50s, 60s, so much longer time ago than many of the newer buildings and newer sites were actually not fully developed, or just not a lot of people at all, whereas here it's like proper developed and there are actually quite a lot of people, so there's life here. It's great. Oh. Is it gonna be wow? Okay. Mocked off.
Disappeared for a moment. Just a moment. Bam.
Hello. Oh, look at them. get into the shopping center.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello. Wow.
No, so cute.
We got the cards. We got top-up cards. So we got the cards for 15 yen and
Top up of 50.
top up of 50 each. So we can travel a lot now. Yes.
I don't think it matters where we
This
go
way.
in. We can go in here.
Yeah. Let's go.
Don't lose it.
Don't lose it, Kate.
This is the Chinese version of an Oyster card.
It's awesome. How much does it cost now? It's like £12. Oh no, not that much.
Not that much. Not even
No,
that much.
it
It's
was-
like 10, 11 pounds.
Well, less than that. Like, so 50 top up, we go that way now. So 50 top up and 15 for the car, and that's 65 yuan. So that's less than a tenner, like £8. £8, and it's hopefully a lot of journey.
Yep. So we're getting off at Jianxi to go to that supermarket.
Yes.
Yep.
So that should be 2 yuan each. So in the end, we're gonna still have 48 yuan on it. Yes. That's good. Banging. Cheers us. This is our empty trolley now. And we are back in the shopping center. And we are so bloody excited about it. Yes. Right, let's buy some food for later. Right, the day is pretty much over for us. I mean, it's not over for us yet. But yeah, we are going back to the apartment now. And we've just done the shopping in the... I'm looking. They're not looking, but I'm looking. So it's a bit chaotic here, you know, walking. But yeah, so we've done the shopping, and we got a new wok. Yes, bloody awesome! You would never get this wok, you know, this cheap that you would pay here for it. So it's like £12 or something like that. But the traffic is crazy now.
What the hell is going on with the traffic right now?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. But it is crazy, but it is good. Okay, Kate. Okay. So after the shopping, we are going back to the apartment and
Okay.
it's quite fun. Let's go. Oh yeah. Just mind the motorbikes. That's it. We made it. It's a good day, to be honest. Very productive. Right, so I'm already smashing up my wok.
Avoid the puddle, avoid the puddle.
Avoid the puddle, the smelly puddle. It's a fish. Yeah. Hello. Right, the doggo is coming here. Right. Speak later. See you later. Doggo. Ah.